Loneliness is rarely loud. It doesn't always look like isolation or sadness. Sometimes it hides behind smiles, small talk, or a packed schedule. But when someone in your life is quietly struggling with loneliness, the question becomes, how do you actually help them? Not just by being present, but by being effective. In this video, we'll walk you through a step-by-step guide based on psychological research and real human experiences. Let's begin. Step 1. Notice without judgment. According to a 2023 study published in Nature Human Behavior, chronic loneliness often presents in subtle ways, like irritability, low energy, or even hypersocial behavior. Instead of assuming what loneliness looks like, pay attention to emotional shifts. Are they withdrawing more, reaching out more than usual, seeming disconnected even when they're surrounded by people? The key is to observe, not diagnose. Just be curious. Step 2. Create a safe window for connection. Avoid loaded phrases like, you just need to go out more. Everyone feels like that sometimes. Or worse, you're not really lonely. These can feel dismissive. Open space gently. I've noticed you've been quiet lately. How are you really feeling? Or even, no pressure, but if you ever need to talk, I'm here. Make sure your tone and timing match your care. Step 3. Be consistently present. Lonely people often feel like a burden. So the more unpredictable your support is, the less likely they are to reach out. Research from the UCLA Loneliness Scale shows that consistent interactions, however small, build trust. A message every few days, a thinking of you note, an invite, even if they say no. What matters most is that you show up, again and again. Step 4. Invite, don't push. Some people isolate because crowds overwhelm them. Others fear rejection. So instead of pressuring them to get out more, invite them into manageable connection. One-on-one coffee, a walk, even a voice note exchange. Respect their pace while gently offering warmth. Step 5. Encourage professional help. Kindly loneliness can stem from deep-rooted mental health struggles, and while your support matters, it's not a replacement for therapy. Frame it like this: I care about you, and I think it might help to talk to someone who's trained for this. Normalize it. Offer to help them research options. Walk beside them, not in front of them. A final note: you're not here to fix, but to witness. Helping a lonely person doesn't mean curing them. Sometimes it means sitting in the silence with them without needing to fill it. Sometimes it means being the first person to really see them. And sometimes that's more powerful than any advice you could ever give. If this helped you think differently, don't forget to subscribe to Emberspark Community. We're building a space where no one feels invisible. Find your spark. Find your people.